Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by launching Roblox on your Xbox and confirming you're signed into the correct Xbox profile. Once done, go straight to the app home and select the search icon at the top right. This opens Roblox's global search. Make sure to use the controller thumbstick to move the cursor and press it to select. Why this matters? Xbox navigation differs from PC, and selecting search is the first actionable step to find groups efficiently. You now type the exact group name or targeted keywords with the on-screen keyboard. Press the RB or LB to switch keyboard sections if needed. Once results appear, move to the Filters and select the Groups tab, then sort by relevance or popular to prioritize matching communities. Open each promising group page to inspect member count, description, and recent posts. This helps you decide if the group is active and worth joining. If you want narrower results, you finish by selecting Join Group on the group page and confirming any membership rules. Some groups require approval, so be patient. Once a member, check notifications and the group wall for welcome messages or pinned info. This keeps you informed. If you can't find a group, make sure your search terms are exact, try synonyms, or clear the Roblox cache and restart the app. Reinstall only if needed. One key tip: if search returns no results, check privacy settings and Xbox network connectivity before more drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.